Have you ever wondered how such a small part of our cells can hold so much power over its functions? Today, we dive into the complex world of the nucleus. The nucleus is one of the largest organelles in eukaryotic cells, housing all genetic material as DNA. It's a membrane-bound structure with a prominent role. Despite its prominence, much about the nucleus remains unknown. Its formation, shape determination, and size definition are still areas of ongoing research. The nucleus's primary role is to regulate gene expression and mediate DNA replication. It coordinates activities like cell growth, division, and metabolism. While often depicted as a simple sphere or oval in textbooks, the nucleus can vary greatly in shape and size. Not yet fully understood. Understanding the nucleus's structure helps us grasp its function better. Its components include chromatin, nucleoli, and the nuclear envelope which maintains genetic integrity. The surprising fact is that while the nucleus is large within a cell, it's incredibly small compared to an atom. This contrasts its significant role in cellular function. So, there you have it. The nucleus is both relatively large and yet tiny on a microscopic scale, playing a crucial role in cell life. What did you find most surprising?